What if the universe is not happening to you, but responding through you? Think about that carefully, because if this is true, then most people are living inside realities they are unconsciously generating every single day, not magically, but energetically and spiritually. And quantum physics is starting to ask questions that ancient spiritual teachings already answered thousands of years ago, questions that completely destroy the old model of reality. For centuries, people believed reality was fixed, solid, separate from us. You are here, the universe is out there, a cold mechanical system obeying physical laws with zero emotional connection to your consciousness. That was the old model, but then quantum physics entered the conversation, and things got weird. Scientists discovered something disturbing. At the quantum level, particles behave differently when they are being observed. Let that sink in. Observation itself appears to influence reality, and suddenly the ancient phrase, "as above, so below," started sounding less poetic and more terrifyingly accurate. Hermes Trismegistus taught this thousands of years ago. Reality is a mirror, a reflective field, a living system responding to consciousness itself, which means your inner world may not stay internal for very long. Now, before people misunderstand this does not mean just think positive and a Ferrari appears. That shallow version ruined these teachings. This goes much deeper. Your dominant state of being affects your perception, your emotional patterns, your nervous system, your decisions, your opportunities, what reality you emotionally align with. And over time, that changes your entire life trajectory. Here's the simplest way to understand it. Imagine standing in front of a mirror. If you smile, the reflection smiles back. If you look terrified, the reflection looks terrified. Now imagine reality itself works similarly, not instantly, but consistently. That changes everything. Because most people spend years blaming the mirror without realizing they're the ones making the expression. And this is where the conversation becomes dangerous. Because if consciousness influences reality, then your identity matters more than you think. Not your temporary thoughts, your dominant emotional identity, the version of yourself you repeatedly embody. That identity becomes a signal, and reality starts organizing around it. This is why two people can exist in the exact same environment, yet experience completely different lives. One sees opportunities, the other sees obstacles. One unconsciously expects abundance, the other emotionally prepares for disappointment. Different state, different reality. Because eventually, the mirror reflects them back. And maybe that's why so many people stay stuck. They keep trying to change the reflection without changing the person standing in front of the mirror. But the moment you change internally, the entire game starts shifting differently. Because the universe may not simply observe you, it may depend on you to decide what version of reality gets expressed next.